How to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheet. Then click on File located on top left corner of your screen beside Edit. Then you'll find Download option. Make sure you download using Microsoft Excel format. After it's downloaded, simply go and select the folder. Simply open it and it will open using Excel. As you can see, it is opened using Excel. Then you're good to go. That's how to convert Google Sheet to Excel without losing formatting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.